Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use someone's effect on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and then log in your account. So now, for example, this is the video, and so you can see here at the upper part of the username, you can see this wand icon, right? And it has a text that says no filter effect. So that is the name of the effect that they used, right? So if you want to use that, just go ahead and click on that wand. And now you want to click on use this effect. So now you can start taking your video, and here as you can see that filter is now activated on your video. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.